24/7 Teachers Training, our lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Circle. Respected teacher, Assalamu Alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. Our books are based on CPA method, concrete, pictorial, and abstract, and students will learn about mathematical concepts by using their cognitive skills. Let us start with the introduction to circle shape. Say Assalamu Alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Introduce yourself to them. Then ask them to introduce themselves. If some children are shy and hesitant to speak, the teacher is supposed to introduce them to the whole class. Involve the children and ask them to participate, as involvement in learning activity helps the kids to grasp the concept easily. Learning objectives. The students should be able to identify and draw a circle, sort shapes based upon one characteristic. Tell the children that they will be identifying a circle shape. Tell the students to sing one verse of Wheels on the Bus and do the actions. All together, sing. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town. Show the students an image of a school bus. Inform the students that circles, like wheels, are of round shapes. Reinforce the definition of round by making a circle with your hand. Ask the students to make a circle with their hands. Draw a circle on the board. Explain to the students that circles are round and have no sides. Show your students images of a lollipop and a snowman. Ask the students to come to the board and point to the circle on the snowman. Ask another student to come to the board and point to the circle on the lollipop. Explain that lollipops and snowmen are made of circles. Show different circular objects like baskets, roti, CD, button, plate, wall clock, coin, etc. Tell them that the face of these objects is circular. Play a game with the children. Take the children out, make them stand in a circle facing each other, and make them sing, "Ring-a-ring roses, once I sent a letter to my friend." Then ask them to find different objects that are in circle. Reinforcement worksheet of circle can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.